In today's video, we are going to show you how to leave a Milanote board safely. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you are on the right account and on the right board, because once you leave, you won't have access unless someone re-invites you. Now, this is for another account, so I am very quickly switched to another account which I was invited to join a specific board, which is this one. Click on it. Now, once you are here, I want you to go to the top right corner, because these are going to be the editors and collaborators of this specific board. All I have to do is super simple. If you want to leave it, click that, and there is an option that says on the drop down menu, remove yourself from the board. It's super simple, right? Click on it, and finally confirm that you want to leave. Click yes, and basically that's it for today's video. Now you have successfully left the board. Remember, you will lose access unless you are invited back. And that's it for today's video on how to leave a Milanote board. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.